Hello again, grade 2. How are you, teacher? Today we continue the same thing that we talk about the telling time. Remember the last lesson we talked about the time to the nearest half and the time by clock. Today we'll talk about quarter hour. So focus with me because it's a little bit hard. Let's start. Okay. My objectives for this lesson is to tell the time to the nearest hour half and the nearest quarter. You have to say with me quarter, quarter. Quarter, as you remember before when we talked about fraction, is the fourth. So here is we talk about how I read the time with the quarters. The most important question here, what is the time period that is more accurate than the nearest half hour? It's the nearest quarter hour. So here is we are in the third level. The first level is a clock, the next one half past, and now we have to take quarter to and a quarter past. Let's start. Our vocabulary are quarter, past, and to. Quarter, past, and to. Yes, here is my lovely clock. The problem all the time with the analog clock because it has something different than the digital clock. Let's remember together that the shorthand hour, the longhand minute, shorthand is hour, longhand is minute. When the minute hand moves a full round means 60 minutes. Means 60 minutes. 1 hour is 60 minutes. Now, when I'm moving from this 12 to the next line, I'm moving a minute. But when I'm moving from 12 until 1, number 1, with the minute hand, it's 5 minutes. So here is I'm skipping by 5. Let's skip 5 together. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, then 0 or 60 or a clock. Remember, number 12 is 0 or a clock in the telling time, and 60 when I want to calculate how many minutes in an hour. Now, you remember the last friend, which is number 6. How many minutes for number 6? 30. Perfect. And I can tell that number 6 is also what? Half. Amazing. So 6 is half past, 6 is 30, 6 is half past, 6 is 30. Let's revise again. Class, you have to say yes, perfect. Class, yes. Say with me. Telling time. Minute hand on 12. It's o'clock. Minute hand of 12. It's o'clock. Minute hand on 6. It's half past. Minute half of 6. It's half past. Minute hand on 6. It's half past. Again, minute hand on 12. It's o'clock. Minute hand on 6. It's half past. So the first level is o'clock. The second level is half past. Let's say hello to the third level, which is what? Which is, yes, quarter. Let me say quarter, quarter. So here is a quarter. Again, quarter. 15 minutes means quarter. 15 minutes means quarter. And here is half. So we already took a clock. Here is half, and here is a quarter. Quarter has a mirror. Imagine this is a mirror here. If I'm calling this is a quarter past, the other side is a quarter too. So they are friends together. So on the right, it's a quarter past. On the left is a quarter to. Let's see now. Here is as a reminder that the hour hand is the short and the minute hand is the long. You remember that. Let's see now here. You remember the fraction? Yes. If this is a circle, how many equal parts I have? Amazing, I have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each part I call it fourth, or each part I call it quarter. Let me say quarter, quarter. This side is different from this side. Let's see how. Okay. Wait a minute. Yes. Look at me. I draw this line here. This side with the red one, I call it past or after. The other one with the yellow color, I will call it to or before. So past means after, to means before. Past means after, to means before. Yes, past means after, to means before. 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 And do, when I'm writing time, we have also a special thing. In do, I write the next hour. But in past, it's the same hour. Again, for do, it's special next hour. How, teacher, you do that? I will tell you how. Now, let's see. What is the quarter? Here is a quarter. Quarter means 15 minutes. Why? Because 3, I have the number 3 here. 3 times 5 is 15 minutes. So remember, quarter, how many minutes? 15. 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 Perfect. Let's see now. When I'm reading the time, when I'm on 3, I said it's a quarter past, or a quarter after, or 15 minutes after, or 15 minutes past. So I want you to focus on past and after for 3. So 3 is past, after. 3 is past, after. Let's see 9. 9 is a quarter to, quarter before, or 15 minutes before. So 9 is a quarter to, quarter before, or 15 minutes before. So again, 9 is to, 9 is before, 9 is to, 9 is before. Again, 3 is past, 3 is after, 3 is past, 3 is after, 9 is to, 9 is before, 3 past, 3 is after, 9's to, and the next hour. Let's see how I would do it. Look here. If I'm reading this hour, I don't know. The first thing I have to say, I will draw a line. So number one, drawing a line. I write T for past, T for to. And I will look to the minute hand. Minute hand is on P or on 2? No, it's on P. So here is I have a quarter to or a quarter past. Perfect. It's a quarter past. So the minute here is a quarter past. And see, I'm still in 1. Let's look here. Before reading, I draw a line. I write P and write 2. Let's see, the minutes hand where? In the past or in the 2? No, it's in the 2. And number 9 means quarter to or a quarter before, quarter to or a quarter before. Excellent. So here is a quarter to. What the special thing for quarter to? Excellent, the next hour, because see the hour hand, it will be too much closer to 7. So I said it's a quarter to 7, not a quarter to 6. That's wrong. So it's a quarter to 7. Let's practice more. Yes, here is I have my analog clock. Okay. Can you see? This is the second hand. This is the fastest one. When the second hand is moving, let's see. When the second hand is moving full round, the minute hand will move 1 minute. So we will not talk with the minute hand, sorry, with the second hand, but hide it. Okay, so here is it. I want to make 12 o'clock. Let's see, where is, sorry, 2 o'clock. Where is 2? Yes, that's me. The minute hand. See, when I'm moving the minute hand, the hour hand is moving. When I'm moving the minute hand, the other hand is moving. Let's go to the 2 o'clock. Here is 12 o'clock. I'm coming 2 o'clock. Here is 1 o'clock. And here is 2 o'clock. Perfect. Let's go to 9 o'clock. No, 9 o'clock is so, maybe yes, maybe if I bring the hour here, yes, this is 9 o'clock. What about 12 o'clock? Perfect. Minute hand on the 12, and the hour hand is on 12 also. Let's take another. Now this is the second level. It's nearest to the half. Let's find the second hand and continue. I want 2:30. Remember, what's 30? 6 is the 30. 6 is half past. 6 is the 30. 6 is half past. So here is 30. Okay, now I want 2. Oh, please, come on 6. Yes, I want 2. So this will be, see, I can't, yes. Here is not 2:30. No, this is 1:30. Between 2 and 3 is 2:30. Let's take, for example, 1:30. Yes, that means I have to go back an hour. Here is 1:30. See, as I told you, when the minutes hand is moving, the hour hand is moving with it's moving slowly, slowly. Okay, let's go to the next level. Haha, this is our lesson today. It's about the nearest quarter. Let's say bye-bye for the second hand. And I want you to see also the digit o'clock also. Let's see now. Here is 3:15 minutes. 15. Yes. Where is 15 minutes? Let's see. 5, 10, 15. Excellent. So it's on 3. And where is the 3? Perfect. Here is the 3:15 minutes. And see, here as I have 3:15 minutes. Let's make 4:45. Where is 45 minutes? Quarter two. 9, quarter two, 9, quarter before, 9, quarter two, 9, quarter before. Here is quarter two. And I want 4. 4 and 45. Yes, this one. So it will be 5. When I'm reading in the analog clock, I said it's not 45. Sorry, 4 and 45 minutes. If I'm reading with past or 2, no, I said it's a quarter to 5, the next hour. But with the digit clock, I have to say it's 4:45 as I write it up. Okay? Let's make another one. 8:15. I want to go to the 8 first, and I want 15. Yes, here is 8:15. Let's say 11:45. Yes, 45 is for 9. Perfect. Okay, and 11, it's up. Here is 11:45. Yes, here is 11:45. See, the hour hand is too much closer to 12. So when I'm reading with quarter or 2, I said it's a quarter to 12. But in the digit o'clock, I have to say it's 11:45 minutes. It will be the same hour with the digit clock. But in the analog clock, when I'm reading and using quarter to or quarter before, I have to say the next hour. Let's see now. Yes, here is your first page in your textbook. I just wanted to write this hour. Before I told you, I have to make a line. Here is P for past, here is T for 2. Where is the minute hand on 3? Excellent. So it's a quarter to or quarter past. Perfect. It's a quarter past. Quarter past. And what about the hour? The red one. Excellent. Quarter past 3. Or how many minutes for the quarter? Perfect. It's 15. Or 15 minutes also. 15 minutes after or past 3. Or I can say it, it's 3 and how many minutes? 15. So you can choose any way you want, but you have to be familiar. If I ask you 5 minutes after 3, that you have to know the meaning of after, and what the meaning of 15 minutes, sorry, and what the meaning of a quarter past. Okay, let's see here. For I have a 12 and 45. Where is the hour? Where are the minutes? I write HM. I write it the first way. It's how many hour? It's a 12. And how many minutes? Yes, 45. Now, 45. It means what? Quarter to or quarter past? Perfect, it's a quarter to. So it's a quarter to. Now, what's the special thing for quarter to? The same hour or the next hour? Perfect, the next hour. What the hour after 12? Perfect, quarter to 1. Or I can say it, it's a quarter before 1. Sure, I know it's the information, it's too many inside your brain, but in the practicing, you can do it. Let's see the next one. Now, match each analog and digital clock to another way of telling time, I guess. Yes. So we want to find quarter to. Remember, quarter to. It's on 9 or on 3. 9 is a quarter to. Yes, so the minute should be quarter to and the hour should be nearest to 12. Where is a quarter to? Here is 9. Yes, this is the first step. I want nearest to 12. Excellent. Here is it. So this is the first one. Now, where is a quarter to here? Quarter to 12. This one, no. This one, no. Put the hour nearest to 12, 11. And how many quarter to means? 45. So this one. Let's see, quarter past 5. Quarter past 3 or 9? 3. Here is 3. I want to check the hour now. 5. It is 5? Yes, perfect. Quarter past 5, that means the hour is 5. Here is the hour is 5. Quarter to means 3, and 3 times 5 is 15 minutes. Perfect. Now here is so easy. 10 o'clock. And 10 o'clock, it's here. Here is read the time shown on the clock. Show the time on the another clock. So we have the analog clock and we have to write it with the digital clock. Before that, what do you have to remember? I drew a line. Sorry for my line. Here is past. Here is to. How many minutes for 12? 0. And here is 30. Here is what? 15. Here is 45. So here is I'm writing the third level. That is 15 and 45. Now it's a check, and I write here is hour and minute. Hour and minute. Hour and minute. Let's see. Where is the minute hand? On 15. Perfect. And where is the hour? Is nearest to 4. It's still 4. In past, I'm still in the same hour. Make line like this. P here, T here, 0 up, 15 and 45. Now, where is the minute hand? On 0. And where is the hour hand? On 3. Now again, here is the line. B, T, 0, 15, 30, 45. Where is the minute hand? In 45. And what about the hour when it's in 2? Perfect, the next hour. What the next hour after 7? It's, sorry, it looks like 8. Yes, but here I write it 8 or 7. No, I write it here is 7. When I'm saying it's quarter to, I have to say it 8. Now here, quarter past 6. Let's remember how we write quarter past. Here is P, here is T. Quarter past, yes, on 3. And 6 here. How many minutes for 3? Perfect, 15. And how many hour here? We have 6. Now 10:30. Remember 30 means what? Extend 6. So here is the minutes. 10 on 10 or between 10 and 11? No, between 10 and 11. So here is 10:30. Now, quarter till 9. Till also means 2. So do not be confused. Write 2. Let's draw the line. Here is past and here is 2. 2 is till. Excellent. So quarter till 9. It will be 9. Excellent. The hour hand, it's so closer to 9. So how many minutes for a quarter to? See here. Perfect. It's 45. What I'm writing here, the same hour, which is 8. I will be 9, but when I'm writing with a digit, I will be in my hour. The analog hour is different. Here is the problem solving. At 8:30, Betty went to piano practice. Her practice lasted 1 hour and 15 minutes. What time did she finish her practice? Yeah, so let's write and draw a number line. Here is she started in 8:30. And she will finish after what? 1 hour and 15 minutes. What's my new time? Yes, here is I want to add. Let's add together. Here is 8:30 plus 1 hour and 15. 0 and 5, 5. 3 and 1, 4. 8 and 1 is 9. So she will finish in 9 and 45 minutes. The last one. Carol spent 30 minutes on math homework and 15 minutes on a history report. She finished her homework at 7:30. Show what time she started her homework on the clock. Explain how you find your answer.